Breaking news for the ROSE Oasis Network price, because right now the ROSE Oasis Network price is pumping towards the upside and many people are going crazy for this recent price action, and that is why in this video we will be talking about the reason behind this pump, or what is the driving force behind this pump we have right here. And also we will be talking about the important levels to look out for this recent price action and many more. So pay close attention because you don't want to miss this ROSE Oasis Network update. So yeah, as you guys can see right now, we are inside the 4-hourly time frame for ROSE Oasis. And what is amazing is for the past couple of hours inside the 4-hourly time frame, ROSE has had consecutive green candles in a row. I can't count how many these are, but this is absolutely insane because it just shows the buying pressure for ROSE Oasis Network. Now, I would like to zoom out into the daily time frame so that I could give you guys a bigger perspective on exactly what is going on right now for the ROSE Oasis Network price. So if you guys take a look right now, we have began this pullback or downtrend in January 2 of 2024. We have been in a pullback or downtrend since, and as you guys can see, what is something bullish is actually happening right now. And let me point this out to you guys real quick. You guys can see that ROSE has again been in this pullback or downtrend, and ROSE Oasis Network has found support exactly at the VWAP, which was at 0.09 cents. So we will be marking this level right here right now. This is where the VWAP is located at. And what's even crazier is if you do move back into the price history for ROSE, you can see some very interesting price action. So let's zoom in right here. You guys can see we first had ROSE pump to the upside right here, and then it's followed by a pullback towards the downside right here, back towards the VWAP, exactly at the VWAP. And take a closer look, because right after we have retested the VWAP as support, it was followed by an insane move towards the upside right here. And after that, we have repeated the pattern or the process. We had a pump, we consolidated, had a pullback towards the downside, back exactly where the VWAP was located at. And after testing the VWAP once again, we did have a nice move towards the upside. And now it brings us to where we're at right now. And as you guys can see, we had a pump, we consolidated right here, and we had a pullback exactly back down to the VWAP. So in my opinion, this looks very bullish, because right after testing the VWAP again, we have seen the buyers enter the market as reflected by this bounce or this price action right here. After touching the VWAP, we had a pump to the upside. So what are the levels to look out for right now for this move we're having right here? So first, there is little resistance at this recent swing high, and this is at around 0.12 cents. So look out for this one, because we may be facing resistance the moment we do touch this price level right here. And then after that, we're going to be facing major resistance at this green zone, which is a major resistance zone as reflected by 2 rejection points right here, and which was also the previous swing high in the weekly time frame. So look out for these levels right now. The level of resistance starts at 0.13 cents until 0.15 cents. So essentially, these are the levels of resistance to look out for. And I'm just warning you guys that if we do see ROSE continue this pump towards the upside, we may see ROSE face resistance and most likely get rejected and move back towards the downside. So this is the bearish case, but the bullish case, on the other hand, is if we do see ROSE manage to break above these resistance levels in the coming weeks. If we do see ROSE break above these resistance levels, that will be very bullish for the price, because for that case, we would have to zoom out into the weekly time frame so that you guys could view my next targets. So again, if we do see ROSE in the coming weeks break above these resistance levels right here, the next major target is this next major resistance zone right here, and that is at around 0.17 cents until 0.21 cents. So this is essentially the next major target. If we do see ROSE smash past this previous swing high inside the weekly time frame, and this is a bullish scenario. So right now the price action so far looks bullish because, again, if you guys take a look right here, we have seen ROSE successfully test the VWAP, which is, again, I believe a tremendous level of support. So a successful test of the VWAP, and right now we are seeing a bounce for the price. So in my opinion, this looks bullish. And now I'm just looking out for these levels. So again, look out for these resistance levels because, again, we may be facing some resistance. We may see the price get rejected and move back towards the downside. So be extra cautious right now. But if we do see ROSE, again, like I've said, break above these levels, that would be the bullish case for ROSE. So if you guys would like to learn on how to make $100 a day, watch this video on the screen right now.